What's going in the truck?
I'm putting rice in it.
Oh, is it rice?
Yes,
Or is it snow?
it's rice.
Who gave you that rice?
Yeah. Mama
I think so.
and Papi.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Mama and Papi.
Yes.
Is this Mama?
Well, actually, if you want to know the truth, I'm the one who bought the rice. But Grandmama is the one who had the idea to put it in the box for you.
Maybe it's Mama today.
Maybe it's Grandmama today.
Yoda.
Oh, is Loader going to go in?
Yes.
What's his job to do?
Scooping and dumping.
Scooping and dumping?
And he's gonna dump it.
He's going to dump it. Nice. But wait, what are those pizza toppings doing in there?
I dump it.
Dump truck dumped it?
Yes.
So he dumped pepperonis and mushrooms?
Yes.
Whose idea was that?
Yes, Paulina.
Oh, Paulina thought of that?
Yes.
Well, that dump truck sure is getting full.
I need help.
With what?
If you dump truck,
What part do you need help with?
it's part
To do what?
yes.
Oh, like for dumping it out?
Yes.
Well, you just did it a few minutes ago.
But I need help.
Wait, you know how to do it. I saw you do it. Oh, you can load up some more.
I need help.
Maybe Llama can do it. Do you think he could?
Huh?
Hmm.
I put it in here. I put it in here.
Sure.
I need help.
Oh, you said, can I put his paw in there? I don't know. I think his paw may be too big. Does it?
Too big.
Yeah, it looks like it was a little too big.
Can I do it?
Sure.
Can I tell it out?
Sure. So is this box like a construction site?
Yes.
Oh. What are they building though?
You're building house.
A house.
You guys.
With workers?
You have a yoga man?
Do you have one? I don't know.
I have one.
Where would you find one maybe?
Where is he? Where is my yoga man?
Where is your worker man? Is he in the fox bin?
Yes.
Okay.
I can take my finger.
Wow. That's cool.
You take it in my finger.
You can take it with your finger? What's going on outside?
It's happening.
What's happening?
It's happening.
What is happening?
It's happening.
Can you tell me what's happening?
Yeah,
What's outside?
and you got it.
Okay, when it's all done, you can. But first, can you tell me what's going on outside? What's in the street? A school bus. Why is it in the street? Wait, hold on. It's not done. Hold on. It's not done. Can you first tell me, after you tell me the story about what's going on outside, then you can look at it. So tell me, why is there a school bus in the street?
Because it's stuck.
He's stuck in the snow? How do you think he got stuck in the snow? Because there's a policeman too?
Yes.
What's the policeman going to do about it?
Get that out.
He's going to help to get it out?
Yes.
Do you think the policeman can do it by himself?
Yes.
Or do you think he needs something to help him?
He needs help.
What do you think he needs?
Tow truck.
A tow truck to pull the bus out of the snow? Oh, that's a great idea. Do you think it needs like a huge tow truck or just a little one? You think the bus would just need a little tow truck? Are there kids out there?
Yes.
What are they doing?
I'm just getting out of the chaos.
They're getting out of the what?
The chaos.
Oh, the stairs? The stairs on the bus?
Uh,
Are they really getting out?
yes.
Where are they going?
We are told.
To the school?
Yes.
Oh, like they might go back to the school to wait?
And he got off.
Who got off?
A lady.
A lady did?
And a lady on it.
And another one.
I'm all done with pictures.
You're
I'm
all...
done pictures.
We're not doing pictures?
Yes.
Because you're all done with pictures?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell me about, or
Chaos.
stairs?
Pizza.
Pizza. What's your fire truck doing?
Can the tank go?
Sure.
He cannot go.
Why not?
Because there's a toolbox.
Because there's a toolbox. Was the toolbox in the way?
Yes.
I see what you mean.
In the way.
Now can he go?
Yes.
Excellent. Whoa! Wait, don't let him crash.
Let it go.
What? How can he get out of there?
Because yours is.
Is he stuck?
It'll be on it.
You can just put it off to the side. Like put it off to the side of the table. Yeah. Is it kind of stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just put it over here. There. Is that better?
Yes. It's better.
Great.
I'm all done with pictures.
You're all done with pictures?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
All done.
Okay.
I'm going to look at it.
Okay. Let me stop it.